How to ripple trim only what is selected in Davinci Resolve and not the music below it also. So if I press Ctrl Shift and square bracket, which is the ripple trim command, it will not trim down only this, but it will cut the music which is below from here till there. So Ctrl Shift and square bracket, and this was modified also. So how to fix that problem? How to ripple trim only what is selected? Come to the music tracks, this portion. Disable sync lock. When it's white, it is enabled, and if I click on it, it gets darker. Now it is disabled. And when this sync lock is disabled, when I select only that video with its own audio, Ctrl Shift and left square bracket, and notice the music was not changed. So don't forget to disable this sync lock in order to trim only what is selected.